What's up guys, today I'll be showing you how to make a simple skyscraper in Minecraft. So yeah, enjoy. So the things that you'll need is gray concrete, light gray concrete, and black stained glass. Now world edit is optional, if you have world edit that's fine, but if you don't, then that's also fine, but it's better using world edit because it makes this build faster. But yeah, so first you're gonna have to build these like pillars, I guess, with the gray concrete, 4 blocks tall, and then over here build another one of those 3 blocks away from each other, and over here we're gonna make that 1 block away. We're gonna make another one and another one. Let's do that same from here. Alright, it's actually alright, now let's do that same thing. Make sure that there's 7 though. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're already on 4, so we're gonna do 3 more. There. So you can see we have 7 now. So yeah, let's just repeat that same thing. 7. These pillar things. Now once you've made like this thing, now on the top of the pillars, just put some light gray concrete on them. That. It's pretty good. Just do that on all 4 sides. Now over here with the 3 blocks away thing, just do the same thing like that, but with 3 blocks. And yeah, there it is. Now you're gonna put the black stained we're gonna put the black stained glass right here. Just if you have world edit, just left click that, and then this. Alright, this will be 4 blocks, and now that's at the bottom and this is at the top, so we're gonna, you see they're at the opposite side, opposite corners, so this is left click that one, and then we're gonna right click this one, and then just hold the black stained glass in your hand, and then just type the command. If you have world edit, type the command / walls hand. Boom. If you don't have world edit, then just put blocks manually. Now break the blocks right here to make some entrance. Now it's up to you if you want to put something inside the building, but yeah, I'm just gonna set the floor to gray concrete / set hand, and there. Now over here as well, we're gonna add some stuff on them. / set hand. Boom. Guess we're gonna like add some letters here. Could add some lanterns, could do whatever you want in this building, but this is what I'm gonna do. So add just some lanterns like that, and yeah. Now this does not look like a skyscraper, right? So Alright, you know what, we'll just cover this back up. Now, if you have world edit, again, you can just press this, left click that part, then right click the opposite part, which is over there. Now make sure to left click at the bottom, and then this one at the top, right click, and yeah. Just now, if you have world edit, just type / copy, and then go up 1, 2, 3, 4, and then / paste. And there you go. As you can see, it's pasted the floors, and yeah. Again, if you don't have world edit, you can just manually build that again. So yeah. Now we're gonna just copy and paste this 15 times. We've already pasted it 2 times. So yeah. Let's just paste it 13 more times. Now, there, I've pasted it like 15 times now, and as you can see, it's gotten pretty tall. It doesn't look that good, but no, it's fine, I guess. And yeah, again, it's up to you what you want to put inside of it. Now,
the hook, you can just do something like this.
could do something like that and add like these things on it. Yeah. There. Could do something like that. But yeah. Yeah, that's about it in this video. So yeah. Bye guys.